works for bases as well.
Cool.
Just got to think in terms of not H plus, but OH negative for bases. You'll see that as we go along, okay? So let's see. Let's just walk through this, okay? And you know, the best thing you can do is just stay plugged in. Consider a 4.7 times 10 to the minus 6. Why that number? I don't remember. Moles per liter. KOH solution. First of all, is that a strong base? Yes, because K comes from root 1. So it says find the solution's pH. Well, you don't get much H plus from a KOH solution. So we're going to kind of come backwards on this. Remember, strong bases like strong acids completely dissociate. So we don't have to use KB, which is good because it doesn't have one. Method, there's two ways of doing this. One way you can go by the POH. You could solve for the POH and then get the pH.
You can solve for pH.
So POH is negative log of the OH minus concentration. So it would be negative log of 4.7 times 10 to the minus 6. Because that's the concentration of the KOH solution. Remember, it's 100% dissociation, so that's going to be all OH negative. And it's 5.33. And then subtract that from 14, and you get 8.67. Trust me, I checked.
So like, by doing this, you're actually solving for H plus.
Well, yeah. Well, now once you have the pH, yeah, then you got the H plus.
How'd you know that that's a strong base?
Because it's K. Well, you just took a quiz on it. It's a group. K is a group 1 element. See, that's what you guys aren't making is those connections. You got this thing, strong base, and then over here you've taken a quiz on strong bases are from group 1 and 2, but you got to go like this. Okay, put them together, and it'll happen. You just the problem is it's probably from two different. You're probably learning two different things on two different sides of your brain by doing this kind of thing, and then that little corpus callosum thing that is the little bridge between the two brains has to learn to put those two things together. And when that happens, that's when you go, oh. Like in your life, it doesn't have to be chemistry, but other things. You ever had like, what do they call that? An epiphany? Oh!
I don't believe that.
Well, that's good. That means your corpus callosum is really working. It's not a toll bridge, it's free parking. What's that? Well, it means you constantly breathe too, and there's a lot of things. No, your medulla has nothing to do with anger. Okay. Method 2, well, consider the source. Second method, to find out the same thing, KW is 1 times 10 to the minus 14, it's equal to H plus times OH negative. So we know the OH negative, so we plug in 4.7 times 10 to the minus 6 and solve for H plus. And you get 2.1 times 10 to the minus 9 moles per liter. So the pH is the negative log of 2.1 times 10 to the minus 9, or, son of a gun if it ain't the same answer, 8.67. If it wasn't, it wouldn't be a very good second method, would it? So whatever your brain likes, that's how you do these things, okay? All right. I'm going to get rid of this so we can do this.